move the camera. Okay. So this looks like it goes into here.
Where'd that go?
Snaps right in.
Where'd that go?
This. I'm not sure about this. Let's look at the picture. This part goes somewhere over here.
Yeah, down.
Let's see. It's not going in. Let's look.
Yeah, right down, Mom.
Where does it go? Yeah, right there, right?
Yeah.
So it looks like it does go here.
I didn't take that on.
Just can't get it in. Let's see. Let's see if Daddy can get it in.
That'd be right, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Good, Mom. Right there.
It's good.
Something first.
Okay, so we took out the green part and we're connecting it to this part first. We're going to see if it's easier to push in. Some mom coffee.
Some kind of point.
Okay, so when you connect these two parts, it's much easier to just slide into the volcano piece.
Nothing very cool.
And where do you think the dinosaur head goes? Excellent. Good job. Looks like it goes right there. Does this do anything?
Really no. What's up with there?
Okay, let's look at these instructions.
They copy and pro copy there.
So I'm gonna have Dad take a look at the instructions as me and Luciano try to open these eggs. Take the plastics off. Got it? You know? Okay.
Wow. Get top.
Oh
Fine.
my goodness.
Fine.
Look. It's
Fine.
a beautiful color.
Fine.
Slime.
Can you see the bird fish?
This one? Look, show the vlog. Ooh, it's extra slimy.
Is there any more pieces of
Extra
this?
gooey. This one. Ew, right? Super wet. Oh, there's a little surprise in here, vlog.
That is the thing.
There's actually little dinosaur bones in the slime. How cool is that? Oh my goodness, how cool.
That bright easy clean.
Wow.
So it's very wet.
Yeah.
Your hands will be slimy. And I suggest
Go my knee.
you keep it away from any really nice clothes or cool pajamas that you don't want to ruin.
Yeah.
some
No, look
slime
at
that
the
goes in here.
orange.
Let's put this one back in the egg for now.
Some slime goes in here.
So I could just put this one in there, right? Since I have it open.
Oh,
Okay. So, ooh, look at this. It's
Is there any other pieces that's
super duper slimy. No, that's it.
No, you're missing pieces.
What pieces?
Eyes for a dinosaur. Two
What?
bolts.
a wawa.
Okay, let's check the box.
Mom, you know what OBD? Mama, I couldn't go on. I'm flying.
No, I don't see it.
Hey,
Let's look
wawa.
at the box. Two, are they red?
Yeah.
Or that's just slime coming out of his eyes?
No. They're red.
Put it in the orange, Mom. Right. I got these. Yeah.
Let it drip. Drip.
That's not that one. I'll go all
My hands are a mess.
I got me.
Good job, Luciano. Give me a high five.
I love the orange.
Oh, I still have to get it off my fingers. It's still there. I don't know what to do.
You need the baby waiting.
I know you need the baby wipes.
I got you, Mom. Mommy, baby wait. Mom. Yeah.
Yeah, it just tells you all the parts, yeah. So,
Yeah.
we're missing those parts. But I mean, they would have to be here. Do they come in an egg or
Maybe.
something?
Doesn't say.
I mean, I don't think so. I think only slime
Oh,
comes.
it's in the thing where the bones are. In the slime where the bones are.
These are the bones.
Yeah, so there should be.
Unless it's like one has.
Yeah, maybe that one.
Okay, so we're gonna have to look. So we're missing two pieces that go
I
in
think I go.
the dinosaur's eyes. We thought maybe we lost them when we were taking them out of the box, but if you read the instructions, it says they're somewhere in the slime. So now,
Orange white.
nice cool orange slime. All right.
That made me wawa. Mom, they wawa came, Mom.
I don't know what this is. So no. Oh yeah, there's something in here. There's something in here. Luciano, can you put your fingers in there and look?
A boom.
Found something? Okay, but we don't need the bones right now. We need the eyes. So stick in your fingers in there.
Ew.
Look, I feel something. Look, what is that? Look, there's something inside. One, we found one eyeball. Show the vlog what the eyeball looks like. Look. Red eyeball. Okay, so I think that Ken only had one eyeball and maybe some little balloons. Okay. Wait. So now we're gonna. Okay. So we're gonna start pouring it into the volcano. How does he do it? It's okay. It's very ooey gooey, and lots of fun.
Eat all my people.
It's very sticky. We're just one big mess.
Eat all of them.
Yeah, let's put it in. Let's stuff it into the
Volcano.
center a little.
Oh.
It's okay. It makes it look like the volcano already erupted.
Yeah. You are rubbing. What? Huh? Now I'm going to open here. Spin it around. Spin it around.
Wait, not yet. It should be in more.
Yeah.
You have to add
And
both of
you
them.
can probably spin it counterclockwise to help it go down.
Okay. So, good. Keep spinning. Ah. And so now I'm having coffee with a side of lava. Where's the other orange?
Down like that.
Yeah, good job.
Mhm.
Up. Okay, let me start to open the other orange egg.
Huh? What one not gonna
So remember, we are still looking for the other eye.
crying? No lava.
Now, use your,
I got apple.
you see the eyeball?
I got it.
And look how stretchy it is.
I completely got that thing at the angle.
Oh, and
Oh, now more lava.
hold on. Okay.
Lava.
It's pretty hard getting the slime into the center of the volcano. Only because the texture of the slime is super gooey and stretchy.
There, go to the volcano.
Luciano?
No, go.
Oh, a bone. So,
I put the.
I have the other eyeball.
I
I'm-
put the one button.
I'm just trying to get it in. My hands are super slippery right now because of the slime. There we go. 2 ruby gems in the eyeballs. How's it going with the slime? Look at Luciano's arm. He has a dinosaur bone on his arm.
Take it on.
I don't know. Let's put him in. Come.
Take it on.
Okay. Okay, some more slime.
Go.
Wait.
That one. No, that one.
Okay. You want to spin it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're getting some spin action.
No, the moon. Right.
No, that's where it erupts, Joe.
I know, but I'm saying, you ready to want it to erupt?
But I mean, it doesn't have to be
Look, great.
perfect. If that's what it does anyway.
Look, great.
Okay, now, Luch, you're gonna put that slime inside the tree.
Down.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna pick this up. Any hidden treasure in this one? Just dinosaur bones? Gianna, look, it's bigger than you. It's bigger than you.
Go on my thing.
Okay, put it in.
Do you want to put that in?
Wait, not yet. Let's put, we still have to put the second egg in.
Let's put it in.
Okay, so try to scoop this little slime up while I open the next egg.
Not yet, Luch.
Mama needs a more guy.
Let's see.
Mama, you freak out.
I'm gonna freak out. Let's see.
Yes, it's more guy.
Let's see. Let's see.
Can you?
Oh, this is actually a different color gold, a different shade.
Do you have?
What?
That's the only egg left?
Yeah, that's the only egg. Oh, wait, before we put it in, let's see. Okay, I guess you can just stuff it in.
Okay, I see you're supposed to put some inside the
This?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Maybe lava?
Now I put that in, right, Mom?
Hold on 1 second, Luch. There he goes.
Uh-oh. Wait, stop pushing it. We have a problem. Put it back.
Go, eat out.
Let's see.
Go, eat out.
Let's put it. Is there a certain way?
Yeah, you have to match the locking mechanism.
Okay.
In there tight.
Yeah. So, Luch, you ready to push down?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. The dinosaur is filling up. So go up and down, up and down.
That is Nico and the fly.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Slime, where are you? Keep pushing. Let's take it out. Let's put it back in. Okay, give it another push. There you go, look. So you're gonna have to keep taking it in and out to fill it up. Woo! It looks like we could have used a little bit more slime. Okay, now Luciano is turning. Let's see this volcano erupt. Maybe it was supposed to go through the rocks. I think so. That's what I think.
coming.
Oh, look, there it goes. Ready, set, go. The volcano's erupting. Ah! All the dinosaurs. Santino, the volcano's erupting. Santino's lying. I don't want any part of this messy fun. Oh, Bane. Bane is gonna get all oozed up from the volcano lava.
Oh. Wait, what? Grandma? Go here, Bane!
Ew. There he goes. Uh-oh. The lava, the hot lava.
Can you go faster, Luke?
Yeah. Coming out.
It's coming out.
Look.
OMG.
Go at the Bane, Ma.
It's going on Bane. Look, the dinosaurs are running away. Ah, lava.
Look at it. What would he eat?
Oh no, he's traveling up the volcano. Maybe the pterodactyl will rescue him.
No. Yeah.
Oh no. He's falling. He's erupting with the lava.
Luke, don't get him stuck in there.
Look, at my beak.
Oh my goodness.
See, click on my
I'm burned from the lava.
No. Look, a bone.
Poor Bane. Bane, what's going on? Why were you standing underneath the volcano?
I don't be out though. Not coming out.
Coming out?
Look.
I see. You're turning, right? Lots of turning. Lots of slime. What do you think about this one?
Wrong.
Do you like it?
Yeah. I'll put it on down.
On there? Okay. What do you like about this?
I like it. And look at boom.
A bone.
Again.
The dinosaur stuff?
I got it. Look. You can go cooking lava. Oh!
Can you put it back on the chair now? I'm going to move it in the slime.
What man got out?
Luciano, also look at the cabinet tail, okay? Look. Can you move it up a little bit more? So we have our dinosaurs. They're all.
Look at the other cycle.
Oh, okay.
No, my cycle is lava.
Oh no, let's rescue the dinosaur.
No, that is what the lava.
Okay, let's see. see if we stop spinning. Let's see if the lava will ooze out. Like that, I think. Let's see. Will it ooze out? Let's see. No, it's fun. Like we're just playing. It's a nice sunny day, and we're eating some grass, right? This one's looking for some meat. I see dead wolves.
Look, there's your bunker.
I will help take your friend out of that hot lava. Oh no, everybody run! Run! Oh no, oh no. Maybe we can hide under a dino egg. Ah! Protect me from the lava. Dang, save yourself. You got lava on his face.
Everybody, why?
Is he erupting? Oh no, I see dinosaur bones. Ooh, so you can open this.
Okay, I put that down.
And you have a skeleton. Oh. And it looks like you can actually put some lava in here, push it down, and then use this to bring the lava up to erupt.
What?
So now I'm wondering if they sell extra slime that we can buy to play with this again. A bone. A dinosaur bone.
We can get out or not?
You can.
A couple. Look! Look!
Save the egg! Save the dino egg! Over here! Look! It's near the dinosaur with the ruby eyes! Let's save it! It's starting to hatch! Help it! Before the lava erupts! Help! Look, it's starting to hatch, you see? Where was it? Oh, look, there's a dinosaur bone! Oh no, let's get a plate. Let's help this little dinosaur hatch. Got it? You want to take turns? Let me see.
Look at mine!
Take turns. Whoa! You're super strong. Let me see. Do I see any dinosaur? No, but I hear it. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I hear it. It's making little baby dinosaur sounds.
Don't make me go.
Wow. Let's see. Let's take turns. I know you're so tired. You're sweating. You're doing all this work. Let's see. Let's feel for the dinosaur. Maybe over here. Let me see. Move your hands. I don't want you to get hurt with this very sharp tool.
I see
You see
it.
something? It looks green. I need some coffee with some lava. Saying, let me out. You hear it?
Yeah.
Let me out.
Oh.
Go. Okay. I'll help. Oh, what is that? Is that a leg? I see something. You see it, Mom?
Yeah, I do.
Keep going. I see it, right? It looks green. Come on, let's keep working. Let's see. Hurry before the more lava comes. Hurry. I need the tool. Hurry. Oh no, can you get the rest? It's almost out. I see a whole body part popping out, right? That's the tail? Or is that the head? Maybe the head. I see a little cute dinosaur smile.
Look there.
Whoa.
Mama, we need that.
I think so. I think it may be a relative. How's it going?
Wow.
Let's see.
I see the eye. Hey, the body.
Okay, I'll put in his little baby dinosaur. A long neck. This baby has a long neck.
I can read the feet.
Oh, cute feet. Okay, let's gently try to extract. Ouch.
Mommy, I wrote the one.
Okay, ready? Can you pull out?
I wrote the cake.
Oh, interesting.
When your time comes, don't postpone it.
I wrote the cake.
Try to clean it up.
I wrote the cake, Mama.
Look, show the ball. So you have a baby, right?
I
You have a
like
cute little
flower.
baby. This dinosaur eats lava?
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
it's a flower. Mama, I eat the oatmeal.
Oh, Okay, so
Put the moon. Yeah, put the moon.
it's a pretty cool setup.
Very.
Very messy and oozy and lots of fun. It has cool little dinosaur bones in the slime. So now I guess I just have to look into buying more slime so we can keep using it over and over again. Are you ready to say goodbye, Luciano?
You know what'll be fun, guys?
What?
If we can make our own slime and use
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
it. Let's make our own
Make
slime.
our own. Luciana, you want to make your own? Oh, we see the dinosaur's gonna get stuck down there. What? Oh my goodness. So, how about making our own slime and putting it in our volcano? What do you think?
Lava.
Lava slime? Maybe we can also add some glitter. And we can see if we can find any little tiny dinosaur bones. Okay, so we look forward to using this volcano again. Thank you, Play-Doh, for the cool concept. Say goodbye. Luciano. He put the dinosaur back in the volcano. We might have to save the dinosaur if it gets stuck. We're gonna have to add lots of slime. So we push it out and the dinosaur will erupt out of the volcano. Okay, so
Hey, wait.
do you want to end it?
No.
You want to end the vlog? Luciano,
Ready to say bye?
ready to say goodbye?
No.
Hey! Tell them we have another surprise. Another dino surprise.
I don't get on right.
We have another dino surprise and we will get to it in the next couple of days. I see baby dinosaurs erupting out of the volcano. Okay, thank you for watching. Ready, set,
Go bye.
bye!
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
I got you. Yeah. Bye.
Drilled slime everywhere.
Bye.
What?
Wacky. What?
How were you playing before? Show me how you were playing. Show me how you were playing just
What were
now.
you doing with the slime? Okay.